So this is my face. If this is your first time of coming across this face, you're very welcome. My name is AB George. Welcome to my channel. So first thing what does that is lay down your hair. If you want retouch hair, it will be very easy for you, but we on natural, laying down my hair can be a lot of work, but I did my best. Just lay your hair anyhow, and then let's go straight into the video. So I used 2 pack of this darling Yankee kinky hair. You'll be needing a hairband, you'll be needing a whoop, a rope, yeah, then scissors, and let the styling begins. Okay, so first thing first is to get your table ready, your work station ready. Okay, then bring out the hair from your pack. Okay, the 2 of them, remove it from the pack. Okay, then pull it out from the pack. Yeah, okay. Then go ahead and remove all the ribbon on the hair, because we won't be needing it for the style. Okay, so when you're done removing the ribbon, the next thing to do is to remove the whole rubber band. Like, I really wonder why this particular hair comes with a whole lot of rubber band. Like, I don't understand, guys. If you really know why they do put all this rubber band on this hair, let me know so I can learn too, because man, I can't just understand why they are putting a lot of rubber band on this particular hair. So I went ahead to remove all the rubber band because I don't need it. Okay, so when you're done removing the rubber band, merge this section together. Like, this is 1 pack of hair. I just removed the rubber band and then merge it together, merge all together, then hold it together with 1 rubber band like this. Okay, so now we have 1 ponytail. Okay, so I went ahead to do same thing to this particular one, remove the rubber band and the ribbon, and I'll be back, man. So here we are. I've taken down all the rubber band, all the ribbon. I meshed the whole hair together, then I use this hair band and then I hold everything together. Then this particular one is the one that will go directly on my head. Like, as you can see, I use a black hairband on it. Okay, so it will be going directly on my own hair. So The next thing you do here is to place one part like this. Okay, section out some part of the hair like this. Okay, section it out. This hair can tangle sometimes, like they can be together sometimes, so I went to grab my scissors, cut it off to make the work faster for me. Girl, use the scissors, man. Yeah, cut it off. Okay, then I attach it to this other ponytail like so. Don't worry, the work really look messed up now, but it will soon come together. Now, okay, put the hair together like this. Now we'll have just one long ponytail. Okay, so now it's time for you to make your, what will I call it, your ball. Is it a ball? Okay, first is to section out a part of the hair you'll be using to wrap over your hair. Okay, like this section is going to be used to wrap round on your hair. Then you go ahead and create your ball in section. Okay, you section the size you want, then you use a wool or a rope to hold it down like so. So this is what I'll be doing throughout. Okay, let me just allow you guys watch through. is the very last ball will be molding. Yeah, I think that's the right word. Okay, this is the very last one. Okay, so you keep sectioning it. You can decide to do your own one. You can decide to mold one big, two, you can mold any amount you want. I think this is how many, let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, it's 7. Yeah, it's 7. Okay, so this is the very last one. Make sure you do this at the very end. Okay, then hold the head together, and then cut if there is any part that is not smooth enough. Then use your thread and do this. Okay, sometimes it still hurts like hell, 'cause you got me so high and you left me so low. Now I stay out all night 'cause I can't go home, and you're the reason why, you're the reason why, and you're the So when you're done with that, go in with your scissors and cut the excess hair remaining, and your ponytail is all ready. Like, we're back to rockets. So this is the ponytail. I'm about showing you how I put it on my own hair. Okay, so this is what we could achieve with our natural hair. Like, okay, it's just to show you guys this on the video. Like, it didn't lay down properly well, but I think I did my best though. Okay, so go ahead and put the ponytail on your hair like so, and then use this particular section you removed out and wrap it around, like, to cover the parts the rubber band is, like so. Now, one thing I like about this ponytail is that it's blended in very well with my own natural hair. Like, I love the outcome. It blended in so very well with my natural hair, and I love the look. Like, so it's looking so cute and all. So I went ahead to accessorize it, like put some jewelry on the hair, to make it look more beautiful. Sometimes it still hurts like hell, 'cause you got me so high and you left me so low. Now I stay out all night 'cause I can't go home, and you're the reason why, you're the reason why. Thank you for watching till the end. Let me know what you guys think about the style. Are you gonna try it? What do you think about it? Can you rock this kind of style? Like, let me know what you think, guys. What do you think? Let's talk in the comment box below, man. What do you think about the style? I'm gonna try it. So if you're here to subscribe, come on, babe, support your gear now. It costs you nothing. Click on the subscribe button to support me. Is a way it's to encourage us so very well. Now, this is the full length of the hair. It came out looking really very long, and I love the outcome. It was very very long. Like, come on, what I saying? It's so long. I love it. Okay, I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.